Always having fun, of course. Drone HAHAHA is always having fun. So be sure to like and follow. We're trying to raise our followership. Is that a word? It is now. Our followership. We just surpassed 29,000 followers. Uh-oh. That did not sound good. That actually sounded like gunfire. Yikes. Yeah, as I was saying, we're trying to increase our followership. We just surpassed 29,000. We'd like to reach 30. I think that'd be really nice. So if you haven't clicked the follow button yet, be sure to do that. Check out DroneHaha.com and DroneHaha on YouTube as well. I'm hearing those so-called gunshots continuing down Euclid Avenue, so hopefully it's just a car backfiring really bad. It sounded like a machine gun going off there for a minute.